रिया की तरफ से एक स्टेटमेंट आया है और उसमें उन्होंने इस बात का खुलासा किया है कि कैसे प्रियंका ने उनको जब टटोला और सारी चीज़ों के लिए किया, उसके बाद सुशांत के उनके परिवार के साथ रिलेशन खराब हो गए। मैं आपको उनकी स्टेटमेंट ही पढ़ के सुनाती हूँ, क्योंकि एक बहुत लंबा स्टेटमेंट रिया की तरफ से पहली बार आया है जिसमें वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को क्लैरिफाई कर रही हैं। उनके जो वकील ने ये स्टेटमेंट शेयर किया है वो लिखते हैं, रिया एंड सुशांत वर नोन टू ईच अदर over the past several years as they were both working in the Indian film industry. Riya and Sushant had maintained a cordial friendship and would occasionally communicate with each other. अप्रैल 2019 में रिया एंड सुशांत had attended a party hosted by the film fraternity and shortly thereafter they began dating each other. Even though they spent a lot of time in each other's homes, they officially moved in together in December 2019 and lived at Mount Blanc, Bandra till Riya left on 8 June 2020. यानी कि दिसंबर 2019 से 8 जून तक साथ में रह रहे थे. The current allegation being leveled by the family are total nonsense and an afterthought. No allegation whatsoever were made till the 27th July by anybody in the family before the Mumbai police or to any other authority. Their statements were recorded by the police in Mumbai. They are educated and have an IPS officer OP Singh in the family. The allegations are totally concocted and fabricated for ulterior purpose. कि ये सारे जो हैं बाद में बनाए हुए हैं और फैब्रिकेट किए गए सारे एलिगेशन हैं. रिया denies all allegation of abetment of suicide, misappropriation of funds and others or otherwise. Both the Mumbai Police and the Enforcement Directorate have been handed over all the Riya's financial documents, which clearly show the falsity of such allegation. She has not received a single transfer from Sushant account. All her income tax returns have been examined by police as well as ED. Neither of them have found anything कि जिसमें रिया को एलिगेशन लगाया जा सके. उसके आगे जो है वो लिखते हैं, in the initial months of their relationship, when Riya had visited Sushant's house, his sister Priyanka and her husband Siddharth were living with him. On one night in and around April 2019, Riya and Priyanka had gone out to a party. Priyanka consumed copious amount of alcohol and was behaving inappropriately with men as well as women at the party. So Riya insisted that they return to Sushant's home. Upon returning, Sushant and his sister continued drinking alcohol while Riya retired for the night as she had a shoot the next morning. Riya was asleep in Sushant's room when she suddenly awoke to find Priyanka had got into bed with her and was groping her. Riya was extremely shocked and demanded that she leave the room immediately. Subsequently, Riya herself left the house. Thereafter, Riya informed Sushant as to what had क्या क्या हुआ था. सुशांत को उसने सब कुछ बताया कि ये सब हुआ था. Sushant got into an argument with his sister regarding the same. That due to the ये सारे इंसिडेंट की वजह से the relationship between Sushant family and Riya had been strained since inception. Even after his death, जब 20 लोगों की लिस्ट बनाई गई फ्यूनरल के लिए, रिया का नाम उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किया गया और हेंस शी वॉज एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम अटेंडिंग द फ्यूनरल. और इसीलिए जो है रिया का नाम बाहर निकाला गया, क्योंकि जो प्रियंका ने किया था उसके बाद जो है रिया उसी दिन घर छोड़कर चली गई. उसने सुशांत को बताया. सुशांत इस बात से नाराज हुआ और उसके बाद जो है ये सारी चीज़ें हुई. हालांकि और लंबा लेटर है, वो आगे लिखते हैं. इन जून 2020 सुशांत हैड बिन कॉलिंग हिज फैमिली, informing them to his decision to move out of Mumbai and requesting them to come meet him. After several days of Sushant calling and crying over phone, his sister Meetu agreed to come and live with him on 8 June 2020. इस वजह से जो है सुशांत requested Riya to leave with her parents for the time being. Riya had been suffering from her own anxiety issue, जो मैंने आपको बताया. ये सारी चीज़ें जो लिखी हैं, और डॉक्टर सुजैन के साथ उसका जो है अपॉइंटमेंट भी था. उसने पूछा भी सुशांत से, तो उसने कहा नहीं मीतू दीदी आने वाली है, तुम चली जाओ. She has admitted in the petition to the Supreme Court that she sent a message to Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, to order CBI investigation. She has also informed the Supreme Court that if the court transfer it to CBI, she had no objection. what she has challenged in the legal registration and investigation of Bihar Police without jurisdiction and transfer to CBI of an illegal investigation. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो उनकी तरफ से बयान बाहर आया है उसमें है कि सीबीआई की इन्वेस्टिगेशन से मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिहार ने अपनी जुरिडिक्शन के बाहर आकर जो काम किया है उससे प्रॉब्लम है। प्रियंका दीदी ने रात को जब मैं सुशांत के बिस्तर पर सो रही थी, सुशांत के रूम में सो रही थी और उधर आई और जो है वो मुझे मेरे साथ कुछ गलत हरकतें करने लग गई और मैं वहाँ पे घर छोड़कर चली गई और उसके बाद जो है जब सुशांत को बताया तो इन सारी चीज़ों से खफा हुए। ये सारी चीज़ें हैं और आखिर में वो उन्होंने लिखा है, रिया डज नॉट नो and has never met Aditya Thackeray till today. Neither has she ever spoken to him telephonically or otherwise, though she has heard of him as a leader of the Shiv Sena. She knows and has met Dinu Moria socially as she is her senior in the film industry. उन्होंने और जांच को लेकर भी बहुत सारी बातें कही है। Riya has not shied away for the cooperating with any investigation agency till date, but she is entitled to a fair and impartial investigation by the agency which has jurisdiction to investigate the case. The manner in which the proceedings were instituted and being conducted in Bihar made it appear unlikely that she would receive a fair treatment. तो ये सारी चीज़ों को लेकर उनके वकील ने एक पूरा स्टेटमेंट इशू किया है कि प्रियंका के साथ जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था उसके बाद जो है परिवार उनसे नाराज़ हो गया, अलग हो गया और जो है सुशांत भी अपने परिवार से नाराज़ हो गए। 20 लोगों की लिस्ट में रिया का नाम शामिल नहीं किया गया। रिया ने कोई पैसा नहीं लिया है सुशांत का। ये सारी चीज़ों को लेकर अब सतीश माने शिंदे जो कि वकील हैं उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट इशू किया है।